Hello friends and welcome. I am Kinshuk Mitra, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department SSI PMT रायपुर। हम इस चैनल में क्रियो सॉफ्टवेयर के ऊपर डिफरेंट टूल्स एंड डिफरेंट मैकेनिज्म वीडियोस को एक एक करके सीखेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
So today we'll be making a helical coil suspension spring, जो कि आपके गाड़ियों में बहुत कॉमनली बाइक्स, कार्स, सभी प्रकार के गाड़ियों में कॉमनली एज अ सस्पेंशन सिस्टम यूज किया जाता है। तो लेट्स सी हाउ टू मेक इट। तो सबसे पहले हम लोग जो है पार्ट सॉलिड मॉडलिंग में आके मिलीमीटर न्यूटन सेकंड एज आवर यूनिट सिस्टम चूज करेंगे एंड देन वी विल चूज स्केच एंड चूज द प्लेन एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट। तो सबसे पहले जो है हम जो है हेलिकल कॉइल सस्पेंशन के इनसाइड मिड में जो टेम्पर जो बना होता है उसको हम लोग यूज करेंगे एज अ बेस, जिसके ऊपर की आपका हेलिकल कॉइल स्प्रिंग जो है माउंट होगा। तो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर एक्चुअली मेकिंग दैट पर्टिकुलर टेम्पर व्हिच इज एक्चुअली अ सिंगल ट्यूब टेलीस्कोपिक डैम्पर। तो हम उसी का जो है एक स्ट्रक्चर जो फॉर्मेट जो है बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे जिसके ऊपर की जो है माउंट होगा, और जैसे जैसे कि आपका जो है डैम्पर मूव करेगा यू विल बी एबल टू सी कि आपका हेलिकल कॉइल सस्पेंशन स्प्रिंग जो है कंप्रेस हो रहा है। सो वी आर एक्चुअली नॉट गेटिंग इनटू द डिटेल्स ऑफ द वर्किंग ऑफ telescopic damper. Maybe in some other video we will be dealing with that particular working of telescopic damper. Here in this particular model we will be actually getting only the help of the telescopic damper. So हम सबसे पहले जो है telescopic damper बनाने जा रहे हैं। तो इसमें जो है मेनली जो दो पार्ट से बना हुआ होता है। तो we are actually constructing the two parts of the telescopic damper. So this can be created directly with the help of circle. तो हमने यहाँ पे सर्कल टूल को जो एक्सट्रूड कर करके जो है हम जो है यहाँ पे इसकी जो है शेप को जो है सेट करेंगे। तो दिस इज एक्चुअली काइंड ऑफ द एक्चुअली जो piston which is actually been seen over here, the smaller diameter, and the upper one will be the holding part where actually that is supposed to be pin joint. सो अब हम यहाँ पे जो है एक्चुअली दो रेक्टेंगल बना के जो है उसको जो है कट आउट करना चाहते हैं। सो विल बी यूजिंग मिरर टूल फॉर मेकिंग आइडेंटिकल एडजेसेंट फिगर ऑफ द सेम रेक्टेंगल। तो हम सबसे पहले जो है रेक्टेंगल की जो कंस्ट्रेनिंग कर लेंगे और देन जो है विल यूज मिरर टूल टू मेक अनदर कॉपी ऑफ द सेम रेक्टेंगल। नाउ गेटिंग इनटू द एक्सट्रूड वी विल गो फॉर रिमूव मटेरियल एंड बोथ साइड्स वी कैन मेक इवन wall, or maybe in terms of symmetric also we can be able to remove the material. Now here actually we are going to make the whole of it, and from where actually the pin joint will be possible to clamp it with the vehicle's frame or body. So we'll make the sketch constraint, that is the dimension distance for the circle from the top and also the dia of the circle. And after getting the dimension done, we'll go for extrude and go for remove material of this particular. So we'll go for the reverse direction and we'll choose through all option. Okay, so this is your whole part. Now in continuation to this, we'll now make the circular hole or pin of the part, so that it will be bit having a better clarity regarding the shape of the telescopic damper or the helical coil suspension spring. So that's why we are trying to create this. So we'll get it done on the both sides, and based on the thickness of the circle what we have actually given, we'll give the value or the dimension of the particular extrude over here also. So it can be also adjusted with the help of front view. If we go for front view, then we will be able to see this particular part very easily. So even we can go for front view, just like this. In this left view we are actually able to see the dia of the circle properly. Now in front view we will be able to see the exact dimension what we are actually giving, and accordingly it is actually fitting properly or not, actually it is fitting outside side or where it is falling short of, that can be seen very easily over here. Now, since the part actually majorly we have created, so we are actually saving it in some name. So it is always better when you are actually working in assembly, you make some folder, और उस फोल्डर के अंदर में जो है आप उसको जो है सारे पार्ट्स को अलग अलग नोमेनक्लेचर के साथ जो है सेव करें. इससे जो है आपको भी जो है आगे चल के सर्च करने में इजी होता है एंड थिंग्स डोंट गेट हेवियर. सो इसको बना लेने के बाद अब जो है हम फिर से पार्ट सॉलिड मॉडलिंग में आके जो है एक दूसरा पार्ट बनाएंगे जो कि जो इसका जो है मेट होगा, और उसको भी जो हम शुरुआत करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ सर्कल. So since the job we actually were trying to create is a very kind of a simple part, so we are not actually getting to the very tough part because our main aim is of mainly helical coil spring. So that's why we are not getting into the details of those particular things because इससे जो है हमारा वीडियो और ज़्यादा लेंदी हो जाएगा. So इसलिए हम इसको जो है शॉर्ट में जो है कंक्लूड करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So we have again made a circle. अब इस सर्कल को जो हम एक्सट्रूड करेंगे और एक्सट्रूड करके जो इसकी जो है वैल्यू दे देंगे somewhere around this. Now again we will go for extrude option. So we'll start with again a sketch, maybe from the bottom part like this, and then again we'll use center line, and for center line we'll again use mirror tool, and again we'll try to create the whole part from where it will be clamped with the body. So these are the two essential parts. So one part will be clamped from bottom part, and another part of the telescopic damper will be clamped from the top part. So the same identical thing is going to be created over here also at the same place with same dia and everything. So now that we have removed the material, now we'll again go for a circle which will create a hole in this particular shaft, and in conjunction that we'll again create like this. We are going to give the dimensions to it, go get out of it, go for extrude, remove material, and you can choose through all of any option and go over it. Now, like I was talking about, now we'll again repeat the same procedure of making two circles, identical circles, and using that for extrude. So after making it fully constrained, now again we are going to set it with the value, and we'll choose front view for the same, and we'll choose both sides blind because we don't have any plane or as such from so that we can choose the particular plane from where it will be executed. So now in continuation to this, now we are again actually going to make a hole on it because single tube telescopic damper it should actually get inside like a piston. So we are actually going to make the same cutout hole as of the made in the previous part. So with the same dia we will be creating a hole in it so that that particular damper can move in this particular part easily. So now we are going to create a base for the helical coil, where actually this particular coil will be mounted, or actually just look good. Well, when we are working in Creo software, actually you only need a point that is a 3D point tool is more than enough sufficient to create the spring in this particular assembly environment. But to give a better clarity or a better look in terms of the helical coil, we are actually trying to create a base for the helical coil suspension spring. So this is what we are actually going to make and revolve it with the help of revolve tool. So we'll go for revolve tool. After making this, we'll again go for saving this particular document. sorry, actually not this as document, but actually it's a part file of the Creo software. So now we will start with point tool, and in this particular point tool we will try to create a point in this particular body. That as we have already assembled this particular two parts over here, which is quite very easy, and we have been creating this particular kind of assemblies over a period of time. So now continuing with the point tool, we'll try to create a point in both the parts one by one, one in the top part and one in the bottom part. Creating these 2 points will create the helical coil attached with both the parts equally, so that whenever there will be a movement given to this particular telescopic damper, we'll be able to notice the compression in the spring, and simultaneously if we give the opposite direction motion, that is the translatory motion in this particular part, so we'll be able to see the same thing over here also. So now that we have created a spring with the help of this particular spring tool in this particular mechanism option, now we are only supposed to give a servo motor attached to this particular telescopic damper, and with the help of this particular telescopic damper we'll be able to have a motion in the downward direction, as the telescopic damper is supposed to compress over here. So we'll give velocity, and in the particular profile radius option we'll give the velocity value, and based on the value we'll go for OK. Now since we have created this, now we'll go to analysis directly and we'll create a run option. Going into kinematic option, we'll create a run. So this is how we have seen how this particular file has compressed. Now since we have got the mechanism done, now we can create the rendering part, or maybe we can give the color coding of it. So any kind of a coloring we can give over here. So like this we can give it any kind of color. This transparent color is obviously not looking good in this particular part, so we'll give a better color which will actually enhance the look of this particular helical coil suspension spring. Usually this particular helical coil is being created with the help of this particular mechanism tool option, so it is not going to take any kind of color. The color which is actually been given with the help of this particular CAD tool only, that will be actually will final, and no other extra color can be actually given to this particular helical coil. So in continuation to this, now we can go to the playback option and see the exact working video of this particular mechanism option what we have actually created. So you can indeed set the view of this particular helical coil in a way जिससे कि आप जो है इसको जो है properly visualize कर सकें. It totally depends on you, आप इसको किस एंगल में किस प्रकार से सेट करते हैं, और इस प्रकार से जो है आप इसका जो है एनिमेशन को जो है इस प्रकार से देख के जो चेक कर सकते हैं. So this is the way how it works. So that's it for today. Okay, thank you.